Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Kia Rio. The Rio delivers sprightly performance, great fuel economy, and agile handling, all in a stylish package, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, Bluetooth, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.